In Bika.ai, Document is used to store and manage text information, like project documents, meeting notes, knowledge base articles, and so on. It supports formats such as Markdown. Compared to typing long text in table fields, Document allows for richer content formats and structures. To add a new one, click the plus sign on the page, select Document, and you can create a new independent document page. Bika.ai's Document supports mixed editing of Markdown and rich text. Type / to quickly insert content blocks. You can add different text styles, pictures, videos, code blocks, mermaid, and other types of content to meet structured writing needs. You can also just quickly paste articles from any web page into a Bika document. Its headings will auto-generate a table of contents. This makes it easy to quickly locate and jump in long documents. At the same time, it supports real-time collaboration by multiple people. Editing records are automatically saved, and collaborators' avatars are displayed in real time, which improves collaboration transparency. You can also invite others to view or edit the document via link. This flexible sharing is convenient for cross-team communication and collaboration. To learn more, please visit our community or help center.